Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. We hope that you enjoy the video and consider subscribing and becoming a part of the fam. In today's video, I will be showing you how to apply beads to your little one's hair. Purchase my bead kit off of Amazon. I will go ahead and link it in description. You can also find beads and bead kits at your local craft store. Here are a few products that I usually have handy while doing Elissia's hair. Let's get right into this video. Say hi, guys. Let's take a moment and appreciate this heart part that I did. It was my first time doing it and I'm really excited about how it came out. Super cute. If you would like to see a video on that, please drop that in the comments. Okay, here is the bead kit straight from Amazon. It comes with different beads, different colors, rubber bands, and also the little stick that is used to actually bead the hair. Here is the little stick that comes with the kit. Big emphasis on little but effective. So I usually like to separate the beads with color and shape, whatever I'm using, prior to actually beading the hair. It makes it very simple and very easy once you get to your next braid, or in this case, twist. Elissia's hair was previously braided, or I should say single plaits, so I wanted to do something different. I wanted to practice this heart part, different parts in her hair, and do a twist just to switch it up. Always gotta keep it fresh for our little ones, of course. In this video, Elissia's hair had been done the prior evening. So her hair did shrink up a little bit, and that's what I do love about these beads. It actually gives the hair more length without weighing it down too much. All right, so first you wanna grab your piece of hair that you're about to bead. You want to open up the stick so it looks like that. It's almost like when you're threading a needle. Okay, but to make it easier, I just opened it myself instead of trying to, poke it in. You know what I mean. So it should look like that once the hair is in. All right, you want to grab your bead. Usually I would say go from whatever bead you want at the bottom. That's what you would put in first. That doesn't apply to this bead kit and this method. You would put it in exactly how you want it to look. You go ahead and bead it, slide it up, and then pull it down. We're going to be doing this a few more times during this video, so if you didn't catch it right that moment, don't worry. Don't have to pause, don't have to rewind. I'm going to take you around her full head and you will see exactly how to do this. So once you've wrapped the hair around the bead, you want to grab your rubber bands. Always make sure your rubber bands are close. So even though the kit came with their own rubber bands, I used the Goody brand on Elissia. Not to say I won't ever use the rubber bands that they gave me, but since this one is open, I'm just going to use it since we're used to it. So go ahead and hold the hair next to the bead and start wrapping it around. So as I wrap the rubber band, I kind of hold down on the rubber band so it doesn't move, twirl around, and then go around the bead again. So as I'm going around, you definitely just want to make sure that you are holding it tight so it's not moving, and you continue to go around until it feels secure. Then you slide down the bead on top of the one at the bottom. You can either hide the rubber band or you can choose not to. It's not really a big deal for me since these rubber bands are clear, but I mean, if they were colored rubber bands, then I would definitely try to hide it if that wasn't a part of the style. All right, friends, looking good. So now we're going to continue on with the same method. Elissia asked for this blue and green one. She really wanted to use the blue star, so that's what we're going to do. Really cute. So here I'm showing you that I was having a little difficulty threading it like a needle because obviously the hair is a little thicker than the actual stick. So I'm going to continue on with my same method, but I just wanted to show you what that would look like if you were to thread it. With this one, you put it exactly in the order that you need it to be in, and then you slide up, pull that down, especially if you're applying beads to a 2-strand twist, the twist might come out. So what I'm doing here is just retwisting it. There's nothing wrong with that. So as I slid up the beads, I realized that the hair got a little loose, so I'm just retwisting it, and then we are going to pull the bead down, lock it in, and use our same rubber band method. So here I'm just showing you what the rubber band would look like if you place it higher or lower towards the bead.
Beads. Wow. Wow. Beads. Okay, so now we're gonna move to the side.
Alright friends, we're almost done. So we're going to go ahead and bead multiple beads, and we're going to match it with the opposite side of the hair. So now we have our colors in order, we have our beads on the stick, and we're just going to slightly, gently push this up, or slide it up I should say. There you go. See how easy that was?
Thank you, Amy. You want these two? Okay, so we're going to put these two on this one, okay?
So I'm just going to repeat the process all around her hair. On this side, I'm actually just going to use 2 beads versus the 4 or 5 that I had previously, and it matches the beads on the other side of the hair. So it's actually turning out pretty cute. What do you think? Go ahead and drop it down in the comments.
A, B, C, D, E, F.
Hey, stop.
So, did you go outside today? Do you see it was raining? You saw the mango tree? You saw the duck?
Ducks. I see my birds.
Yay!
I see tiger.
Alright friends, now we've made it to the back of the hair. Here's a quick length check. Alright, so now we just have 4 to do, and then we are all finished.
I'm done. See?
Through.
Same here.
So I got a little quick here. I really got the hang of things, so I started to go really fast, and then I came into a tiny problem. The smaller the bead, or I should say every bead has a different size, the star on this bead set is actually smaller than the other ones. So I couldn't just slide it up like I was doing the rest. If you come into this issue, all you have to do is kind of remove it, pull it down a little bit so the hair gets looser as you pull it down, or thinner I should say, and then push it back up by itself instead of two beads at one time. If that didn't make sense, you can go ahead and watch the video and you'll see exactly what I did here. Alright, so the second time around, I'm going to leave this in actual speed so you can see, I had to wiggle it a little bit here, and you'll see the method that I was referring to previously, so that if you come into this with your little one, you'll know exactly what to do. Don't panic.
This is true THODD. Ready?
Did I mention entertainment? Definitely have distractions at hand. Tablet, snacks, water. Elissias loves to drink water. Make sure that you're not giving them everything at once. I would introduce one thing and then the next thing, maybe a fruit snack here, cookie there, water next, tablet, a show. Just keep it going. I always get asked how Elissias sits so well, and although we have been doing this for the past year now with our hair tutorials, check those out, natural hair tutorials for toddlers and adults in the playlist. Does really well depending on the time of day. I know her moods, I know her times, I know when she's going to be the most cooperative, but it's always great and always handy to have those distractions at hand. Comment down below what you do to keep your toddler entertained while you are doing hair, wash day, or anything. I would love to hear from you, love to hear your techniques, and I would love to hear any questions that you may have so that I can go ahead and answer those. Also, check out our playlist, natural hair tutorials for toddlers and adults. Alright friends, so we're just going to continue the same process the whole way through. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've learned how to bead your little one's hair. If I have helped you in any way, please give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, share with your friends, and if you do happen to try this out, please tag us on Instagram at the Spencer Family TV with a picture of your little one. We would love to see, we would love to share. Before you go, please head over to our playlist and see our natural hair tutorials for toddlers and adults. And as always, stay beautiful and blessed. Thank you for rocking with us. Thank you for watching this far. We love you, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Okay, washing. Bye.
Yeah, life, I'm living. Live it.